You're a part of chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. Today, we will understand the second segment of this chapter. In the previous video, we have seen that this is the aerial view of the surface of the Earth, and the surface of the Earth looks like a sphere, whereas this is the model of the Earth, which is known as globe. Let's understand the difference between the picture of the Earth and the picture of the globe. In the globe, we can see all the small areas and we can identify them very easily, such as countries, mountains, islands, oceans, etc. Whereas on the surface of the Earth, only the area of land and water can be easily identified. If we have a model of the globe on our table, we can easily locate any country, any city, any state. But if we see the view of the surface of the Earth, we cannot tell which particular country we are talking about. In the model of the globe, everything can be easily located because there are lines drawn on the globe for the easy study. Whereas on the surface of the Earth, we cannot properly locate anything by just seeing the picture from the spaceship. On a globe, there are lines drawn to understand it better. Whereas on the surface of the Earth, there are no such divisions which mark the exact place. Sunita Williams was an American astronaut, whereas Kalpana Chawla was an Indian astronaut. We've already read on page number 101 that Sunita Williams came to India to meet the children and to fulfill Kalpana Chawla's dream. When she came to India, she shared her experiences of living in the space with the children. Sunita said we could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Water too doesn't stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. Blobs are thick balls of water. To wash our face or hands, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. She said we ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. In the space, there was no need to use a comb, she said. She said my hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently, to stay at one place. We had to strap ourselves there. Papers also had to be stuck to the walls of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in the space, but on the same time, it was very difficult too. Look at this. She is now planning to brush her teeth. She's taken a packet. This packet has water and she's pouring water. Once water comes out of this packet, it will start floating into small blobs. These blobs are the thick balls of liquid because in the space, there is no gravity, so nothing falls down. Everything keeps floating. Look at this. To catch this water, she will gallop it straight into her mouth. Did you see? Now she's pouring the toothpaste on her brush, and the toothpaste will also not go downwards. It will move upwards. It will keep floating, in fact, because there is no gravity. After brushing her teeth, she is not able to spit it out because nothing falls down. She has to swallow it, or the other option, she said, she can take a tissue and spit in the tissue. Imagine, is it very easy? Not actually. This is another astronaut who was accompanying her. She is showing us how she was able to shampoo her hair. Have a look. And my dear children, it is actually very strange, but yes, it is real. Have a look.